Hi everybody, this is Dr. Whipple. We're nearing the end of the course now, and I've got some comments for you on paper number 2 as you revise them. I thought paper number 2 as a whole was very interesting. I thought you got the basics of the assignment done very well. I should remind you that criteria is the plural and criterion is the singular, but that's not that big a deal. I mean, as long as you get it right when you revise. The two things I need to tell you about in revising paper number 2, the snowfall paper, is that in any paper where you're making a value judgment, you need to give examples. So for most of you, I'm asking for more quotations from the paper to show, say, the danger of the situation or the emotion of the survivors after they found the dead skiers, or the excitement of people as they, went to Stevens Pass, or even quotations about like Johnny Brennan, Jim Jack, Chris Rudolph, the skiers who died, to talk about what fun people, what interesting and enjoyable people they were, or maybe even quotations from the loved ones they left behind. Okay, so we need quotations for that. And I'm looking for 2 or 3 good quotations for each criteria section. In the multimedia, you can't really quote the multimedia, but I would say that descriptions of the multimedia elements, good descriptions, would be very, very helpful here. So at the very beginning, when you open up the article and you see the snow drifting down, it's sort of all white and it's drifting and very sort of bleak. You could talk about how that makes you feel. Okay? All right. So please take a look at these issues and look at these as you revise your papers. A point to note, by the way, about revising the papers is it's in the syllabus, but you have to write every one of the papers. You have to write paper 1, paper 2, paper 3, and paper 4 in order to get a grade in the course. Now, at the end of the semester, you're just going to turn in 2 revisions, but you still have to write all of the paper drafts. You cannot simply decide, well, I'll just do the last 2 and revise them. That's not allowable. So for those people who are missing paper 1 or paper 2, and there are a couple of people who are missing papers, you need to get those papers in pretty quick in order to get a passing grade in this class, and we're coming up on the final week. Okay? All right, I will have another video pretty soon about paper 3, and if you have any questions, you know my email, whipple@creighton.edu. You know my phone, my office phone is 280-2520. Anything sent to that will get to my to my email and get right to me. And it's good to talk to you. I hope you're having a good week before, well, 2 or 3 days before school starts. And again, if you have any questions, please let me know. I'll be posting this on YouTube and posting it in an email to all of you and also on the announcement section of Blue Line. Bye-bye.